Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, September 1st, so therefore happy Labor Day, y'all. So I'm getting ready to it looks like y'all crooked. I don't hear number sirens. I hope whoever and whatever is okay. Seriously. Oh my God. But yeah, so I just hopped on really quick just to say hello and to start today's vlog off. And today's vlog is going to be another fall video of my living room. I added in the pop colors of like a burnt orange or like a rust color orange, and with the same decor that I already had, but I just wanted to share that with you. Now my plan was to get up, shower, all of that stuff, have that already done before I pick up the camera. But I've been up, and I said before, I just wanted to get this started before I put the little bit of food that I'm gonna put on the grill. And so yeah, just wanted to come on and share that. I really need to run to the store because I really just want to have a tossed salad, like a tossed salad with everything in it, including like turkey in it. And that's it. Yeah, let me see that. And that's it. I don't really want anything else. It's crazy. If I did cook something else, of course I would eat that, but I'm not even in the mood to do it. I don't know if anybody else feel that way, but I'm really not in the mood to do all of that cooking like that today. I had some pork steaks. I went to the meat store the other day, and I bought this meat right here to bag up, and I didn't go get the bags yet. And so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and wash this meat up and season it all up, and I put it in a container last night. Some pork steaks. And y'all know how big pork steaks be, so I cut them in half. And then I had like 2 pounds of chicken legs. And the reason why I like their chicken legs is they're not them big gigantic chicken legs. And so I got that. So just in case, I got one of my grandbabies here, Onyx. But just in case any of the other kids come, I have that. Now I don't know if we're gonna put anything else on the grill or not, but I do have that ready. And like I said, I really don't want nothing but a salad to go with that. Maybe some smothered potatoes or something. I'm not in the mood to do all that cooking today. So yeah, and that's about it. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and let y'all know what was going on today. I was gonna do outfit for the day, but I was like, no, because y'all already done seen it. I was gonna throw this dress on, so if I throw that on, y'all already done seen it, so there ain't no point in me doing an outfit for today. But if I put something else on, then yeah. So, but yeah, I just wanted to put this last video out today for, well, I ain't gonna say last video, the last video that I have on my card. I would just want to just come on, like I said, and introduce the vlog with that video before I put it out today. And if you haven't checked out yesterday's video, I will leave that link also in the description box, y'all. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. If you leave a comment, like I say, it won't cost you a thing, but it'll be helping my channel out. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna get off of here. Onyx, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Say hello. I don't know if y'all seen him or not, how I had this camera, but I'll talk to y'all later.